Good morning, welcome. Is vlogging a bad idea? If you're watching and want to know, follow me into the kitchen so I can make some coffee, then I will tell you whether vlogging is a bad idea. Intro. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosaria Lubende and they call me my Madudu. This is my different YouTube channel. My other YouTube channel is about the music industry. This channel is specifically about travel and lifestyle, my lifestyle. The reason I started vlogging was to tell those who want to travel to Canada during COVID-19, the regulations required to enter Canada as we speak. Things might change, who knows? Why it was actually important as well to follow certain regulations. Otherwise, you'll travel all the way to Canada and deported back, which is not a nice thing. Imagine the cost of the air tickets. The second fascinating reason I decided to vlog was to be me. As you can see, it's early in the morning. I just woke up and I decided to vlog. And it allows you to discuss any topic of life and style that you wish to, without a script, without makeup on your face. As you can see, that's me. Vlogging allows me to do so without any hesitation. It is liberating if you don't have to prepare a script and worry about makeup. It's so liberating. Especially if you are old. It's not easy. Okay, that's the reason I prefer vlogging. And yes, vlogging is the best. I'm not saying being a YouTube creator is easy. I can tell you for sure, it's hard work. Multitasking can be difficult because I do it. Since I go to work, record videos, edit, I do everything myself. So I know how difficult it can be. It's exhausting. To any YouTube creator who wants to give up, life is about perseverance. Life is about determination. Don't give up. Enjoy. Just enjoy creating stuff. Make it enjoyable for yourself. Then you have less pressure. It's not about giving up. If I can do it, trust me, anybody can be a YouTube creator. That's all I can say. So was vlogging a bad idea? No. Would I do vlogging again? Definitely yes. I'll vlog again. It's such an experience. I would encourage anyone who wants to do vlogging to go ahead and try it. Don't hesitate, just do it. Please let me know in the comment if you tried to vlog and you stopped, or you've just started vlogging, or you've been vlogging for a long time. How you find vlogging compared to preparing a script. It's raining. Yeah, it's raining. That's the weather, right? Please like, subscribe, don't forget to press that buzzer so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog, and bye-bye.